this one, we're gonna make a lava lamp. Get a clear glass like this, okay? Need to be clear, that's important. Need vegetable oil. Okay, this is cooking oil. Your parents probably have this in the cupboard. You're gonna fill your jar about 3/4 of the way full. You want it pretty full. I know, we're using a lot of oil, but it's fun, it's worth it. Very exciting. All right, so we've got that. We need more baking soda. We're gonna use baking soda again for this. We need 2 tablespoons. Okay, measuring that out. Let me count, that's 1.
It already looks cool.
2. So we had vegetable oil, the baking soda. Separately, I already prepared this. I have this little, this is like a little dispenser. You put salad dressing in it if you're gonna take a salad to work or school. I put in here some vinegar with some food coloring. Now we just did vinegar and baking soda together. We know there's baking soda in our oil and there's vinegar in here. So I'm gonna add this vinegar to this jar. Something cool is gonna happen. Are you guys ready?
Anybody want to? You're excited. Sarah looks so excited.
Yeah.
Excited? This is fun. Does anyone want to guess what might happen?
Raise a quiet hand if you have a guess.
Let's see.
Oh,
I'm looking. Raise a hand if you have a guess about
Mila
what
does.
might happen. Mila does?
Yeah.
What do you think, Mila?
What's your guess, Mila?
I think the painting water will go away.
Oh.
All right, so remember this
Good
was
guess.
vinegar. It does look like water, and I added some green to it because I think I like green. So I'm gonna add the vinegar to the oil, and the baking soda is on the bottom.
Whoa.
Oh.
What?
Trying to see if you guys can see
No,
that.
we can definitely
Yeah,
see.
that is awesome.
So what you want to do is make sure you're dropping it in little bits so it makes those globby kind of bubbles through the oil, and then it brings it back up. And the reason I said this is fun to try at night, I don't know if it'll work right now, but let me see. You can put a flashlight under it and light it up, and it's,
Ooh,
that's my phone.
that is fun.
It's really fun to look at with the lights out and your phone under it, or a flashlight.
Guys, you could even add some glitter to your vinegar mixture.
Oh, that would be awesome.
That's so cool.
That is awesome.
Lava lamp, and this goes on for a while because there's a lot of baking soda down there.
That's awesome.
Up and down. You can watch this for days.
I'm going to be so busy this weekend.
I know.
This was the best use of vegetable oil in my life. I don't use vegetable oil often, so I mean, I love this. I could just.
Pretty.
Aw.
What do you guys think? Is that a good one? Can I get a thumbs up if you liked that one?
Yes.
Yeah.
Mila, Dylan, Sarah, Joey.
I got a thumbs up from
Caroline,
Yeah.
Alina, lots of thumbs up.
Ooh, I didn't get to see it.
Mila.
Caroline's got scientist glasses on.
Oh,
You go, girl.
ready.
All right. What do we have here? I can't stop looking at this. All right. Actually, I have to put this aside because I have something big next. Big. I made some of this ahead of time.
Ooh.
So villagers, this kind of goes along with something you were talking about in your Magic Treehouse book recently, or I think coming up. You guys were reading the one about the volcanoes. We're gonna make a volcano. This is super fun. This is salt dough. I made this yesterday. This is just flour, salt, and water, okay? You mix it up. I'll send the recipe. And it makes a really cool dough. It's something you can use to make ornaments. You can use a cookie cutter, flatten it out cookie cutter, and you bake it in the oven, and it gets really hard. But before it gets really hard, it's nice, and it's almost like Play-Doh. So I took another one of these glasses and I built up my salt dough around it so it looks like a volcano. So we're gonna make this thing erupt, okay? And I know that you guys love to make things erupt.
There are so many excited faces right now.
Oh, they are glued to the screen.
It's nice. I wish I could have had time to paint it. I actually don't have any paint in my house, but that's another thing you can do, is paint. Alrighty,
Use food coloring too, Miss Erica.
Yeah.
right. Let me get my measuring cup because we need some warm water.
Miss Melissa, did you see Alina's face?
Yes. Are you having fun, Alina?
Yes.
Water.
See Isaac too. He's checking it out.
Warm water. Okay. First thing you're going to add is some warm water to your jar or bottle. About 3/4 of the way full. Okay. A little bit more. Okay. Now we need to add 6 drops of dish soap. So I got my dish soap back out, never too far. I'm gonna count 6 drops. 1, 2,
3,
4, 5,
6.
okay. 2 tablespoons of baking soda. This only cost me like 99 cents, and I'm having so much fun with it. Like, best. So what I said, 2 tablespoons, that's 1. And 2. 2 tablespoons baking soda. Okay, we need to add some color. We get to add some food coloring to this. I'm going to add, because this is supposed to be lava, right? So I'm gonna add some red, 4 drops of red, some yellow, 4 drops of yellow, 5 drops. All righty. Yeah. Need to get another measuring cup, empty that one out. I'm gonna pour my vinegar into this measuring cup. So we've got water, dish soap, baking soda in here. We're gonna add vinegar to it. We've already done this a couple times, right?
I really like how all of these use the same ingredients.
Yeah, so there's so many different
Yeah.
things to do with just a few ingredients.
Yeah.
So we're gonna add the vinegar to this solution in here. We know that there is a reaction that happens when you add vinegar and baking soda together. But what's fun is it's a volcano, and when volcanoes are volatile, they start to rumble and grumble and make lots of noise. Eventually they will. Yes. My goodness. Now, it's very important to put a tray under your volcano. Otherwise, it's all over the kitchen and
Moms and dads don't want that.
I know.
clean up that mess, and you don't want to clean up the mess. So don't forget to put a tray. I should have said that before. Wasn't that cool?
Yes.
That was awesome.
That, you guys, is you can keep doing it, okay?
Sarah, are you going to try that at home? You look so excited right now.
Yes.
Okay.
Look, you can just add more baking soda. And then add more vinegar.
Wow.
Yay.
Another thing you can do is add the food coloring while it's erupting.
Woo.
Oops, there goes my cap. Yeah. So look at that. It never
That is so cool.
on a nice day. Because if it does get a little messy, you're outside, you can just spray down your area with a hose. So
Cool.
love that. One of my favorites. I couldn't wait to do that with you guys. Ooh, it's so pretty. You know what? I just want to add a little bit of red for effect. Pictures later. So,
Take a picture of that later.
That is awesome.
all right. This one, remember when your mind was blown when the stick went through the balloon? Just hold on. Ready? So this one takes a couple days. So I started this a few days ago. You all have eggs in your refrigerator, I'm guessing, most people. I love eggs. Good source of protein. You take a raw egg. Now this is an egg with a hard shell that if you crack it, all the egg inside would ooze out, okay? You take that egg, you put it in a jar of vinegar, and you Put the lid on loosely, not tight, loose. Okay, so vinegar and an egg. Let me go rinse this off. I just took this out. Now, this was a hard shell egg. I'm gonna go rinse it off.
Raise your hand if you have a thought about what that egg is going to be like now. What do you think? Sarah, what do you think about that egg?
It's gonna be clean.
You think it's gonna be clean? Go
Definitely clean because I just washed it.
It
So,
looks different to me than the eggs in my refrigerator.
Yeah.
well, actually, you know what, you guys? This was my last egg. You know what an egg looks like.
This.
Hard white or brown shell. So let me show you this egg after 2 days sitting in vinegar. Bounce.
It's squishy. Look at that.
Like a bouncy ball.
Now, you do, I'm sure some of you know, if you boil an egg in water and then roll it, you crack the shell off and you peel the shell, then the egg inside will be cooked and it'll seem a lot like this. It won't be this color. But this is not a cooked egg. Okay? It's not a hard-boiled egg. This is still a raw egg. And I'm going to show you that it is, in fact, still bouncy. That's fun. Watch this. This was our skewer from before. Woo!
Ah! Whoa!
Look at that.
That came out a lot faster than I thought.
Oh, cool.
What the vinegar does is break down the hard shell of the egg, but it leaves this membrane. Okay, and that's what still holds the raw egg yolk inside and the egg white. So,
Whoa.
isn't that crazy?
Wow.
That's so
That
cool.
You guys should try that. Like I said, it takes a couple days, so you set it, forget it, come back to it. Definitely give it a try. I'm gonna wash my hands. Got egg all over them.
Wow.
How
Can
many
I?
days was that in there, Miss Erica?
I did mine on Wednesday, so 2 days.
2 days. Thumbs up if you're gonna try that. I'm gonna try that.
And on the would have gotten that on
Boise
the
May's
We're gonna
thumb
try
for
that.
sure. Miss Teresa, Sarah, Joey. Oh, Dylan and Aiden are gonna try it.
Definitely get these pictures
Valerie, Caroline.
too. If you guys do any of this, take a short video or take a picture and put it on the homeroom app. Alrighty.
It's a great idea.
So I've got one final fabulous little experiment to show you guys. I have to move for this, so I'm
Going on a tour.
gonna go outside. I'm so excited.
Ooh.
How's the weather out there?
It's very windy where I am today. It's a little cool. All right,
I need an intro.
my backyard. Let me set this up.
Perfect.
Yeah. Let's see. Okay.
That's perfect.
Awesome.
Yeah.
I have this bottle of Coca-Cola. It's actually Diet Coke. Okay. Any dark colored carbonated soda is going to be good for this. This is the thing that I did buy, but I just had to order it online. So it was at my house in 2 days. It's this special little holder for Mentos. Okay, Mentos is like a
They
minty.
make holders now for these? I didn't know they made holders now. For
Yup.
Mentos.
You say a lot. So it goes on top of here. There's going to be one of the coolest reactions you'll ever see. You guys, you're going to want to get one of these and just do it all the time. Do it for friends and family. It's great. So keep an eye on it. Take the cap off. Gonna screw this on.
Be like, you are focused, girl.
What's gonna happen?
Does anybody want to guess what happens when this candy drops into the soda? It's a bubbly soda.
May, go ahead, baby. What's your guess?
I think it's gonna explode.
Ooh.
Ooh.
Excited if it did explode?
Yes.
Okay, well, let's see if she's right, you guys.
Let's do it.
Check it out.
Well, wait a minute. If it explodes, am I going to get soda all over me? Guess it's a good thing I have my glasses and my lab coat.
I agree.
Ooh.
Help me count down from 5. Ready? 5.
5, 4,
4,
3,
3, 2, 1. Wow.
I want to do that. I want to.
That was awesome.
Was it good?
Yes, that was so cool.
That was awesome, Miss Erica.
Get me a towel. Get me a towel because it did get on my computer. It's very windy here, so it like went all over.
That was so cool.
That never disappoints you guys. I've done it a lot of times, and it's always lots of fun.
They
Unfortunately, though, that was my last
Oh.
experiment.
I'm going to unmute everybody.
That was the last one.
Everybody, can we say thank you to Erica?
Thank you, Miss Erica. That was awesome.
Erica, send us a link to the folder.
Bye.
Oh, sorry. Hold on.
For
Go
all
ahead,
the experiments we did today. So I'll send the link to the little apparatus that I purchased. And it was only $5. And
And the recipes, right?
all the recipes.
Fabulous. All right. Say bye, Miss Erica. Thank you.
Bye, Miss Erica. Thank you so much. Bye, guys. Have a great weekend.